My name is Rebecca Marshman. I work for Baxter Story as a group head pastry chef. So the first dish I'm going to be making today is a chocolate cremeux, banana jam, peanut butter ganache. So we start off by making the cremeux, which is making a custard base where we cook the cream and eggs to 85 degrees. We then pour this over the chocolate and we let it emulsify. We leave this to cool to one side and then we start making the insert. The insert is a chocolate crunchy on the base, which is Oreo, fouilletine, and we roll that out into a thin sheet and then cut discs. We then pipe on the top banana jam and then we leave this to freeze. Once this is frozen, we can then remove from the freezer. We can take our cremeux, we can pipe it into molds, and then we can put the secret insert, and then it goes back in the freezer. So the peanut butter ganache we will make by boiling the cream and pouring it over dulce chocolate with peanut butter. We're then going to set that in little peanut molds and freeze. Then we're going to make the yogurt sorbet, which is used by making a stock syrup. We then add gelatine to that, leave it to cool. We then fold in yogurt and yogurt powder, leave it to freeze, and then when ready to serve, we'll churn. Once we have all our elements ready, we place the cremeux on the center of the plate. We then remove the sorbet from the freezer and we place a rocher on the top. We will then, on the top, zest a small amount of lime and finish with a touch of gold leaf. On the side of the rocher, we will add the peanut ganache. Here is my chocolate cremeux, peanut butter ganache, and banana jam.